Tired of tracking approvals in cluttered email threads and jumbled Slack messages? ApproveThis simplifies approvals for anything. Start by setting up an approval flow. You can set up a single approver, a series of approvals, and groups of users that can all approve a single request. Receive requests by email or through a form that you create. Email requests are sent to a branded, customizable email address that you can set up for each request. For example, you could create a mailbox for expense reports at expensereports@yourcompany.approvethis.com. When you need requesters to provide specific data, create a custom form to kick off a workflow. Users approve requests with a single click from an email notification, while ApproveThis keeps everyone up to date. An easy-to-use dashboard helps approvers, requesters, and administrators keep an eye on each request. ApproveThis makes it easy to request approvals, route them to the right people, respond to those requests, and report on the outcome.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.